Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to talk about Genesis 1, verse 31. And God saw all that he had made, and behold, it was very good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the sixth day. This verse is the culmination of the entire six-day creation process, and the Zohar treats it as a profound mystical seal, a moment when the entire divine blueprint has been manifested, harmonized, and balanced. Unlike earlier days where the phrase God saw that it was good, here we are told very good. The addition of the word very signifies, in the Zoharic tradition, the integration of all dualities, light and darkness, order and chaos, male and female, upper and lower, and most importantly, good and that which can be transformed. The first phrase we have, and God saw all that he had made. This is divine contemplation. The Zohar explains this seeing not as physical sight, but as spiritual review and confirmation. It is a divine reflection, evaluating the total system, not just individual parts. Until now, each day was judged good in isolation. Now, God views the whole, and the unity of the system is revealed. The Zohar says, the parts are good, but the whole is very good, because only together do they reveal the complete face of the divine. The next phrase we have, behold, it was very good. The mystery of the word very. This is the only place where very good appears. The Zohar dives deeply into this phrase. Good is the inclination to kindness, light, and balance. Very good is the inclusion of gevurah, severity, tension, and even the Yetzer Hara, which is inclination to chaos. The Zohar states, good refers to the Yetzer Hatov, which is good inclination, and very good refers to the Yetzer Hara, which is the evil inclination. This startling idea means even our shadow side, when integrated and redirected, becomes part of the soul's ascent. The power to choose, to struggle, to fall and rise. This makes humanity's journey not only good, but very good. The integration of masculine and feminine. By day 6, the human has been created, complete with male and female polarities, which was in verse 27 and 28. The Zohar teaches, only when these energies are united and balanced within the soul and between souls, can the divine image fully radiate. Very good is the result of successful integration, harmony between giver and receiver, light and vessel, upper and lower worlds. The completion of the Sephirotic structure. Each day of creation responds or corresponds to a sephirah. Day 1 corresponds to Hesed, which the theme was light and kindness. Day 2 corresponds to Geburah, which was separation and strength. Day 3 corresponds to Tiferet, which was harmony and beauty. Day 4 corresponds to Netzach, which was for eternity and order of time. Day 5 corresponds to Hod, which was majesty and multiplicity. Day 6 corresponds to Yesod, which was foundation and union. Day 6 is Yesod, the bridge between all upper Sephirot and Malkuth. In this case is the world. It represents union, especially the male principle, transmitting divine flow into the female vessel. The Shabbat on day 7, thus very good, means the channel is open, all realms align, ready to receive the Shekinah. The next phrase we have, and there was evening, and there was morning, the 6th day. This is the final threshold. The Zohar sees a mystery in the phrase, the 6th day. Unlike the previous 5 days, this one uses the definite article, in this case the word the. So the sages explain, and the Zohar echoes, that this points ahead to a covenant, specifically to the 6th day of Sivan, when the Torah was given at Sinai. This links creation and revelation. The world was created on condition that Israel would accept the Torah. Without the Torah, the universe lacks its fulfillment, because it is the blueprint for divine human co-creation. Genesis 1 verse 31, the final verse of the first chapter, is the completion and spiritual seal of the 6th day creation process. According to the Zohar, when God saw all that he had made, he was not looking at isolated parts, but at the totality, the interconnected harmony of all realms, light and dark, spiritual and material, body and soul. The phrase, very good, signals something deeper than perfection. It signals integration. The Zohar teaches that even the Yetzer Hara, the human inclination toward ego and desire, when tamed and redirected, becomes a force for spiritual ascent. This makes the system very good, complete, dynamic, and meaningful. Day 6 corresponds to the Sephirah of Yesod, the cosmic foundation through which divine energy flows into the world. All divine light now prepares to descend into Malkuth, the vessel symbolized by Shabbat, which begins immediately after this verse. The wording, the 6th day, hints prophetically to Sinai, when Torah, the soul of the universe, would be revealed. This verse reminds us we are not only products of creation. We are its stewards, interpreters, and catalysts. The world is very good when we recognize both the light and the shadow and choose to transform them into wholeness and holiness. That's it for today. Thank you very much for your donation. Be blessed, everyone, and I will see you on the next episode.